Hello everybody, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another video. In this video, we will see how to load balance multiple WANs on a Mikrotik router. It can be from 2 WANs to unlimited WANs, or depends on how much your device or how much your router or how much your hardware can afford. But it will be basically the same configuration, same settings for all of them. If you are doing 2 WAN load balancing or you are doing 12 WAN load balancing, the procedure and the setting remains the same. All you have to do is add a couple of routes to the routing entry, and that's it. So there are multiple techniques on the internet, and there are dozens of videos on the internet, dozens of tutorials on the internet that will teach you, that will show you how you can merge your internet connections into one. But here is the really simple one. This is the simplest of all. It is having the least amount of configuration you have to do. All the other things will be taken care of by the router, by the CPU, or by the routing OS, on which we will be using on which we will be doing this configuration. So let's jump on the configuration and see how it is done. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you will never miss my new videos. On my analytics, to be honest, I see a lot of unsubscribed folks. Please do me a favor, subscribe and enjoy the video. Let's begin. So here we are, guys, on the interface of our router. I am not going to do a real configuration. Actually, I will be just showing you one of my existing configuration, and I will show you how it is done. So it will not be on this particular router. This is just to show you how it is done, from where it is done. So you have to add the interfaces what you will be configuring WAN on. For example, you will be connecting them via PPPoE. So you'll have to go to interface, and you'll have to add the PPPoE client, fill out the things, use the physical interface you will be dialing this PPPoE from, and this kind of stuff. So if you are dialing the internet through PPPoE client, just go ahead, add the PPPoE client. It's pretty simple. You just go to the interfaces plus PPPoE client, select the interface you will be dialing out from, go to dial out tab, just fill out the username and password, and then wait it to connect. After connecting all of your lines, all of your WANs, you have to go to IP routes. You'll have to add a route. Just make sure it's not dynamic. Whenever you are creating a PPPoE client, just select uncheck add default route and press OK. If there is only one internet connection, and if you're not doing load balancing, you're only configuring a single internet connection, then you should keep this checkbox add default route checked. So whenever the dialer is connected, it will automatically add a default route for your internet traffic to be routed from that interface. Otherwise, if you are doing multiple load balancing or multiple WAN load balancing, you just don't want it to be automated. So whenever the thing reboots, the internet will be unreachable and stuff like that will happen. This is a static route. AS means that it is active and it is static. And once you've done, for example, you have created a dialer named WAN 1, and you have, I know there is an error, just I'm showing WAN 2 or WAN 3. All you will do is go to IP route. Destination address will be 0.0.0.0/0. That means all of the traffic, which is not all of the destination address which is not in the routing list will go here. This is called default route. Just add the interfaces WAN 1, WAN 2, WAN 3, WAN 4, or 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, how much you have, just add and press apply. So then check gateway, you will use ping and apply. Now this will check the gateway if everything is connected, or it will check all your WAN interfaces. If they are reachable, it will send the traffic. It is unreachable, it will not send the traffic to the corresponding gateways. Now see, even if I have added 3 bogus routes, see, all of my traffic is going to this only reachable gateway, because it is checking the gateway via ping. So you see, it's working. Now I will show you the working model. I will just undo. Just what it was before. Remove, because this is my home router. I don't want everyone to be rushing out towards me. Why the internet is not working? Why the internet is not working? So, right. So I'll show you a live example here. This is a live example. It is running at one of our client site. They have around 4 interfaces, or they have around 4 WAN connections, and it is merged into one single connection. You can see the result. I'll show you the IP route. This is how it should look like, right? Default route, gateway WAN 1, WAN 2, WAN 3, WAN 4, and the best thing is, in this approach, in our ECMP approach, is we can use multiple gateways to emphasize that. For example, if you have link 1, which is 200 Mbps, and the other are 100 Mbps, so you can emphasize that one link to be used more, I want WAN 1 to be used more often than WAN 2, WAN 3, and WAN 4. So now if you will see the trends, they go up. So the link defined more than once will have a bit of more preference, or a bit of more bit of more internet traffic going towards it. So if you remove one, if you have all the gateways listed only once, it will divide all the traffic equally. And this should be done if you have all the traffic, now this method is good if you have equal WAN links. If you have multiple WAN links which are not equal, for example, you have one link which is double the other links, you will add them twice in the gateway. For example, WAN 1, it has double the bandwidth of other interfaces. Yeah, so this is how it will look like once you are finished. And remember, after configuring load balancing, just don't go to speedtest.net and do a speed test and then complain that why I am not getting all the combined speed, because you are using one server, one resource at a time. If you are downloading something from one server, you will have one link's speed. You will not combine. If you are using downloaders such as Internet Download Manager or something like that, and then if you download something, then you will utilize all the WAN links you have, and then you will get the speed what you are looking for. This is suitable for ISPs, for mini ISPs, or for office or for home use, where you want redundant connections or you want load balancing. All right, this supports failover. This supports load balancing. Failover is automatic. Load balancing is automatic. You do not have to create firewall rules or mangle rules or this rules or nothing. Just add the dialer, just add the interface, just add PPPoE clients if you have PPPoE clients. If you don't have PPPoE clients, if you have routers or external modems or external routers which are doing the dialing stuff for you, just put them on different networks. Like the first WAN should be 192.168.1.1, the other should be 2.1, the next should be 3.1 and 4.1. Then you will instead of giving it the interface, you will just do this 1.1, 2.1, 3.1, 4.1 and then press OK. Right? This is the difference, and this is what you will do. And of course you will go to IP, firewall, NAT, and just one masquerade rule, just one. You will not define the interface, the out interface, nothing. Just select the chain should be source NAT, action should be masquerade, and that's it. All the other thing happens automatically. This is the easiest of all configuration or all load balancing techniques for Mikrotik. It works perfect and it works flawlessly. There is only one drawback: it uses a hell lot of CPU power. If you have a big router, if you have CCR series, you don't have to be afraid of. It works like a charm. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Take care of yourself. And Assalamu alaikum.